Hello, good morning all class, hope you're getting on well lads. Right, this video here is just going to be an introduction video to the next two videos, which is going to show you how to make your very own guitar, okay? So just to show you, or remind you, you might remember Kevin brought one of these in around Christmas time. I think he got it as a gift. So this is a cigar box guitar, no traditional kind of, it's a modern kind of version or sort of a tribute to the style of guitars that the blues musicians would have started to make themselves, kind of homemade guitars back in the mid, I suppose it's the last century, so you're probably talking probably 30s, 40s, 50s, around that sort of time. Okay, and you can see there's a pickup in as well there that you can actually plug it in. So this is a 3-string diddley bow, cigar box, and this is one that I kind of threw up together myself, and it sort of gave me the idea, along with Mark, Kevin and Mr. McLaughlin, to make up a guitar ourselves. So this is just a diddley bow, so it would have been even kind of, my own version of an earlier version of that. Okay, so this is just a single string, and you can see that it's got a nut on it, nut and bolt, garden jubilee clip, hose clip. I had to put a wedge there because I went a bit too low there, and it's just an old box that I kind of mustered together. I had to cut out these holes, okay, and I made a bit of a mess of it there, that's why I had to tape it, and I sort of coarsely attached it together with a few brackets, and I can open it here because down the line I was talking to Kev, I might actually get an electric pickup and be able to put it in to be able to get a bit of sound out of it. So just to kind of show you the idea how simple it could be to make, like this is just, they're both running the same principle, that they're fretless, so they don't have, and we'll talk about that in the video next, and Kevin might give us more information about that. They don't have the frets that allow you to sort of push down on the string to get that sound, so you have to sort of slide along using using your so if you can, so there's going to be a dull sound, so you have to use something to slide up along it. So you get the idea. And the other one here is, I don't even know, that's an old broken string on this one that I made off a electric bass, so it's very bassy kind of sound. And this one here is slightly out of tune, as you might hear, but it's this is 3 strings, and I think it's G D G is a 3 strings, so it's way off tune. So anyway, you get the idea. So what we're going to do is, in the next video, and I had a chat with Mr. McLaughlin, and he sort of helped me come up with a plan of how to make one of these, sort of, that looks a bit like a cigar box guitar, but it's got the same principle as a diddley bow. But we're not using the broom handle that I threw in on this one. So it's going to have just one string. You tighten it up. You don't need to be able to tune it around like that. One of the tuners on it, so basically what we're going to do is it's going to sort of look a bit like this, but it'll just be the diddley bow style, okay? And it won't require any gluing or hammering in or anything like that, okay? So Mr. McLaughlin came up with a nice little way of us being able to join it together, okay? So it'll just require about 13 screws. I'll go through that in the next video. So that's just a brief chat about that. And also we might have our own very own celebrity musician, Kevin Melly, who might show us actually how to use it properly, not just kind of butchering it the way I've done it. Okay guys, so keep an eye on the next 2 videos, okay?